Okay, hello guys. We are playing a game. We're playing a game today. Our parents are more mini militia, as you know, guys.
Yes, guys.
And I'm playing with Pepsi. You are in the team.
I see
actually.
somebody.
Oh no,
Ndalo is playing on the red team. Ndalo is there's Mpilo. And Ndalo is in the red team. There's Shami. I'm in the blue head.
Okay, I logged in.
Guys, I'm
Type is also here in the game, so I'll explain the rules. Okay, this little baby.
I just killed you, Ndalo. It was me with the minigun.
Tish. What's that? Shorty. Mr. Pepper, green one. Yazin. Oh, I forgot. You're recording, so you have to make noise a little bit. Okay, guys. And there's a child here sleeping, so we can't make that much noise. I have to quick scope this guy. Don't try. I'm too fast. Okay, they killed me with the grenade. Don't say. 3, 4. Don't care. What's that? I see Pepsi. He almost killed my porch. Ha! Peter's killing our porch. Peter's are killing our porch. Don't forget to speak English, cause this is a game of English. Oh yeah. And don't remember. And we still recorded 2 minutes ago. I think I can see the timer. As you can see at the top corner where I view the screen. They show you. No way, bro! Quick scored me.
I'm the goal, boy.
It's time to book game, guys.
No way, Lupa's gonna beat me in this high score.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. They killed Pepsi.
Still of top people, guys.
They killed me with the minigun.
I killed Ndalo.
7-7.
It's such a good boy.
Sila lang ko.
Paulin ng chat, chat. Oh, Vogel. Okay. Vogel.
I just got
Hey, come here.
Nah, no way I didn't. Oh, I can simply. Oh my god, this is not funny.
Oh yeah. Vogel, chest.
Hey, you almost killed my butt.
Fart, let's go. Fart, let's go, fart.
Yes. Papi, kawan tu bakishi. Era tu time. Yay, boom.
No way, bro, quick scope me the sniper. Hey, I have
No. Aku susun body.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Yan bon, ma'am. Quick scope. Oh, mwah.
Yes.
No way, no way.
Somebody's here.
That's it. I'm getting out the Salabamba here.
I'm getting on the soda bomber.
Hey, no, are you for serious, guys?
Yeah, I'm getting on the soda bomber.
Dad!
Our Pepsi is trash. Let's go.
Dad! I said dad! I'll never die!
They don't just die.
No, I never died. I didn't die.
Yo, I have to pull out my
You lucky.
I saw somebody.
You lucky. Don't say I didn't say you lucky. Someone is here.
I killed it.
Yes, minigun.
I killed Shami 6 na Ugano na 11.
Oh, I see someone. Quick, go. Mr. Pepper. I think I can see. Let's go.
That's Ngolo fethu Jesus. uNkulunkulu uzongisiza. Jesus.
This song. I wanna watch.
Ufana 14. Uluphona 14.
No, Pepsi 14. Me and the Pepper are going.
And that.
Huh?
Someone's up.
Oh, pause.
Uvukile.
Ujasuvukile.
Siyajabula emhlabeni lo fethu sesuvukile. Kodwa abashona uzohamba futhi. Uvukile.
Oh my God! So I can you.
Shobani shona.
Ungithumile undalibela phambili ngishaya khona.
Mama Yim. Hello, Mama Yim.
Yeah.
I don't care. I still kill Mama Yim. Let's go. They told me a point to kill. They killed him. Okay. They killed Lupo, and also I'm getting logged in as now.
No, don't get logged in.
Okay, someone should bring a grenade. Viewers don't see that. Actually, I'm gonna ask the editor to cut it out. And guys, I'll still edit this video, and I'll still try my best to edit for you guys, then post it. Here's Mama Yim. Oh, they quick scoped. Run. Sweet. Pepsi 17. Everyone's gun is peaking. Also mine. I think the guns are out of business anymore. Sniper dead.
No, 17. No.
Guys, 1 minute left in the tower, as you can see.
I need to go and get some weapons.
Let's go. Oh.
The guys have 16. No, I
Get! Bro, there are lots of snipers. I haven't seen even a minigun.
Just go down. No. The blue stinky.
We're on there.
Boom!
I tell you.
Nah.
18.
19.
You're subscribed too. I can't get somebody.
No, sir. No, it's charger boy. No.
How much percent?
Undali a record mo ngoba messages.
Game over.
Yes, I have covered.
Okay, guys. I'm still going to now. Shh, don't make noise.
And tie game. It's a tie.
Of where? Of who and who?
It's a tie. It's me and you. Sweet tie. Tie game.
Never lose this.
Musisiwa 19, Pepsi 19, Dalo 17.
I was almost gonna get there.
Shami 16.
No.
Let me actually, guys. Okay, now we're playing in teams. What team are you at?
I'm team yellow.
I'm team
Okay.
yellow.
No, I'm team yellow.
blue. I'm team blue.
I'm team. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'm team.
Pink.
Yeah. Right.
You are team, bro.
Oh, yes.
Because
how can you do colors?
yo, leave that. Okay,
Leave
guys,
that.
ready?
Yeah.
Press ready. Press ready.
Yes.
Okay, now we're in teams. So guys, basically we're in teams. So now we're gonna see his team is better. Yeah, we'll say what team's gonna win. So we'll see now. And the guns are all out today now.
Man, I my
Finally.
guns is compact.
Yes, mine
Me
too.
too, my God.
No way, bro. Got quick score. Oh,
Bro, my own teammates killed me, bro.
Oh, sorry, bro. I didn't see that.
no.
Who's next to die?
You. Me and my boy. You ever kick your ass?
Who's ready to be grenaded?
Me and my boy.
You, boy.
I think.
Come here,
Who's
my
next?
boy.
Who was
Yeah,
dead?
No way!
No way.
Ang isa ko nung uktubola.
Yes. Don't kill me, Baba.
Yeah, but parang isa ko nung itsumiam.
Nang went the yan.
Yeah, Baba.
Oh, Mama Im, I'm a team. Mama Im. I mean,
Ang kulong pula dun na umpin.
we team yam. Hey, yeah, velo green. Answer velo green.
Eh,
Hey.
Even not the
ang bula ako ang sa American sumbo. Sa yung say. Yung sa American. Ningat kalis tubo ng sa American. Dead. Ang sa American.
Okay, so I am team is four. I'm ready to be busted. Are you ready to not be busted?
Yeah.
Take out the minigun loadouts.
Shoot out.
Take out the minigun loadouts.
Hey!
And aim at
Bro,
them.
they're coming. They're coming.
Aim. Oh, they're coming. Our enemies are red.
No!
Okay.
You
they-
betrayed us to see with the melee. Well.
I killed Pepsi.
Let's go with the rockets. Let's go. You go to it. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. You go to it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's look for them. Okay, I see them. I see them.
I killed it by myself.
Ang bula.
Yeah. Let's go.
China ngayon. Dati ako mong China ngayon.
Let's go. That's a spirit. That's a spirit. That's a spirit.
Oh man, shut up. I'm coming for you because you next, boy. Who? You.
Nah, they all
What are you gonna
talking to
do
me.
about it?
What you gonna
Who's
do
ready to
about
die, man?
it? Oh, no, bro, quick scoped me.
He told you, bro.
But
What's up?
I killed Pepsi.
Okay, come here, bro. Come here. Come here.
guys, I
I
actually
killed
need.
Pepsi, man.
They cannot in our
Hello, my friend. I killed Pepsi.
Take the.
Kill you, bro.
Ah.
With the rockets. Nah, you for sure.
Afadhali mimi kanyangizisha manje sentuza lento le.
Don't be scared of it.
Yo Puji.
Don't be scared of it.
Move there Puji. I'm going.
Chill down. Zay bula.
Just guys, they don't know about. They don't know anything about rockets. Hey, yo, I can't.
Don't forget to have
What
also.
you get, boy?
Don't forget to also
Get
have
out of
to.
my way, bro.
Guys, don't forget to keep the to press that like button and follow us in our channel. Don't do it again, Paul. Paul, we're gonna lose it because of you.
Okay, we are gonna lose. Watch this now. Watch it.
Yo, come there. You malap. I'll cut them for you and when you cut them there.
Watch this, Pindalo.
Oh, you go to. Yes.
How does that to shut me with them every tree?
Where are them? I think I saw somebody. I see somebody.
Oh, my teammate is there. Hello?
I'm coming.
I waved. That's a dapat. Ungkap ko na akong jaro.
Yes.
Okay, let's go down.
Can you see me?
Come.
Hey, yo.
Sa ngayon, this. Kalja mo.
Eh, ngay bon.
Yung ako kasama.
You missed. Let's go. I killed you both.
Guys, I have 6 points.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Ayo. Don't kill me, Paul. They're coming. Attack!
And say hello to your Mr. Bago. Yeah.
Oh, I see them. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, motherfucker. Told you to get in any.
Guys, now they can.
Whoa, Martin.
Whoa. Don't kill me. Whoa.
Mpo, come. Mpo, come. Follow me.
Kill me. Don't kill me.
It's you, it's you.
Mpo, come.
Come, shoot. Somebody's down there.
Okay, Mpo, I see them. Mpo, ambush.
Yeah.
Ambush him.
We killed each other. What like what the hell, bro?
Yo, that guns are not show anymore.
Yeah, just deflect.
Yeah, I almost killed him, poor guys. Yo, Mpo.
Alright, guys, I can see a bit of. Okay.
Oh.
Mpo, come,
Okay,
follow me.
somebody, come here.
Oh, okay, I see.
Oh, somebody's sniping. His guy is about to be dead. What's up?
What's up? You alone? Kill him, Mpo. Kill him.
I killed him.
Wow, why? But someone died. Why am I doing?
I killed him below also.
Oh, Father, cool sham. Yes, bye. Yes, she is.
If I'm in my circle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Don't kill him.
Yes.
No way, bro. Kill me with a smoke gun. We need shield. I see. Cancel the shield. Next round, I'll see.
Yeah.
I'm still another bro.
Yes, I found the shotgun.
I see.
Yeah, that's what I do, boy. Yes. You can actually. Why is that saying, man? Yeah, that quick stopping. Oh,
Let's go with the grenade.
what's that thing? I will do with. Oh,
Who scoped you?
ako ko nung pila, Oh,
What the hell? Find next round. Just reach next round. You find next round. Just reach Sudan. It's an ambush. Oh no, someone's rada. Someone's playing.
yeah, ako tiyele.
You missed my grenade.
Ngoti sa tholo zuzu manje le try no. Kasi to phone. O tumbula usam.
God damn it.
Oh no ammo. How?
Me and the people were down now.
Some left the game.
I'm sorry,
You lucky. I had no ammo. You lucky.
They call me the sweet god baka.
Don't kill me, bro.
Don't let them kill you, Mpo.
Whoa.
Don't let them kill you, Mpo.
No, okay, stand there.
Oh, there, Mpo. Ah.
Yeah. Whoa, Martin.
I said don't let them kill you. Mpo, you stupid.
Hey,
I told you stand there.
okay, bro. Let me try.
Sniper. I'll see you.
Oh, they're coming up.
Quick scope. Quick scope. Grenade.
Ah!